Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Zoom on your phone, tap the app icon and sign in or choose Join a Meeting as guest. Allow microphone and camera access so others can hear and see you. Without these permissions, you can't participate fully. Once done, paste the meeting link into your browser or type the meeting ID and passcode into Zoom. Tap Join. Make sure your phone is on silent or do not disturb to avoid interruptions, and position the camera at eye level for a natural view. You now check audio and video settings. Tap the mic icon to mute or unmute quickly, and the camera icon to start or stop your video. If audio is low, switch to speaker or connect a Bluetooth headset. Tap Join Audio to switch. Once done, switch cameras with the camera flip button and tap the screen to focus or adjust exposure. Make sure to enable virtual background or touch-up appearance sparingly. These help your presence without distracting others. You should participate using participants to raise your hand and chat for text messages. Use reactions for quick feedback without interrupting. When you need to present, tap Share Content, choose Screen, Photo, or File, and then stop Share when you're done. Finally, if audio or video fails, try toggling permissions in your phone settings, force close and reopen Zoom, or switch networks from Wi-Fi to cellular. This often restores connection. If problems persist, leave and rejoin the meeting to reset the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.